Hi, here is a tutorial on how to paint with Bob Ross. First we need our soft spoken voice, then we need a canvas with a tripod, stand, easel thing, I don't know. Then we need some paint. I'll be running all the paint I'll be using going across the screen. We need a paintbrush and we need a palette, and we of course need the paint that I will be using today. So first things first, you need to put the paint on. There we go. Lovely. Big dollop of paint on the palette. There we go. Put this to the side. Next we will visualize what we're going to be painting today. Yes, I think we will visualize. Sorry, I thought I saw a spider in the corner. I'm filming in my garage and I don't want to break the very peaceful tone of my voice. So, okay, so first things first, you want to paint a nice, first we'll do this up here. There we go, see? Yeah. So we're just going to gently take the brush all the way down the canvas, eventually creating something not unlike a horror show. But as my mum used to say, there is no such thing as mistake, just happy little accidents. Happy birthday, son. There we go. Doing well. I just want you to know this is this first part done here, and there we are. See, and then we'll give my wee friend, a little friend. Everybody needs a friend. What the hell was that? Okay, that's fine. As I said before, I'm painting in my garage and I'm not sure if there's any spiders or perhaps a bird nested in here. If there is, then this will quickly become a show of screaming and running away from the camera. But we will soon find out. Oh. There we go. You can see the technique I'm using, which is called brushing down at the canvas. Very, very popular back in the French days of the painting Renaissance, Mona Lisa. There we go. See? Almost done. There we are. Lovely. Oh yes, almost there. See? And then we'll add a little thing at the end. There we go. Just being very careful not to move our canvas too much because I don't want it to fall on me and stain my perfectly nice shirt I'm wearing. See? Lovely. And we'll just make sure all the brush strokes are going the same way. And we'll just do a final little touch up in the corners up here. And there we go. See? We've now got a fully dressed canvas. Oh yes, lovely, very nice, yes. There we go, yes. Aha! There we go, almost ready. Lovely. There we are, and we have our now finished how to paint like Bob Ross tutorial. You can see here what I've done is wonderful work, majestic, simply beautiful. Thank you. I think that'll do us for today, but yes, thank you for coming to our little Bob Ross tutorial video. Please subscribe or like it if you like to like things, I don't know, and then stay safe, my friends.